Dear students, today we will learn about arithmetic mean in case of continuous series, also known as frequency distribution or grouped data. इसमें हम दो मेथड्स अप्लाई करेंगे. फर्स्ट हम सीखेंगे डायरेक्ट मेथड. फर्स्ट वी विल अप्लाई डायरेक्ट मेथड. Before writing the formula of direct method for calculation of arithmetic mean in case of continuous series, I will recapitulate that what is continuous series or what is grouped data. It is a statistical series in which the value of variable it is given between two limits in class intervals having lower limit and upper limits. And now we will come to the topic, that is use of the direct method for calculation of arithmetic mean in case of continuous series. The formula is given as, इसका जो formula वो ये है, x bar is equal to sigma fm divided by n, where n is equal to sigma f. As I have already told in my previous lecture that in case of discrete series or in case of continuous series, we can say that n is total number of observations, total number of items in a given series. Since in discrete series or in continuous series, the number of items, the number of times a value of variable repeats, it is denoted by frequency. Therefore, we have to sum up, we have to add up the values of frequency, and then we will obtain sigma f. Therefore, n in case of continuous series or discrete series, it is equal to sigma f. Sigma, as you know, it means adding up or it means summation, and f is frequency. F is frequency of a given variable, and m means mid value or midpoint, and n is number of observations that is shown in frequencies, and the calculation of this mid value it is equal to lower limit plus upper limit of each class interval, and that is to be divided by 2. इस फॉर्मूला की मदद से हम कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं मिड वैल्यू. Now we will take some example to apply direct method. For example, the data given is weight in kgs. The values are 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40. 3 class intervals are given, 1, 2 and 3. This is a continuous series. The value of variable lies between two limits, lower limit and upper limit. And number of person, that is, it is given frequency. The values are suppose 2 for this group, for this weight group, 5 and 3. Now this is the given data. अब हमें कैलकुलेट करना है arithmetic mean by applying direct method. उसका जो solution है वो इस तरह होगा. In the first column we have to take we will take value of variable, that is weight in kgs, and it will be denoted by x, and frequency, that is number of persons, इसको हम डिनोट करेंगे by f. Next column में first we write these values 10 to 20 kgs, 20 to 30, 30 to 40 kgs, and number of person, that is frequency, f, it is given as, इसका जो वैल्यू है 2 है, 5 और इस ग्रुप का है 3. अकॉर्डिंग टू फॉर्मूला अब हमें कैलकुलेट करना है मिड वैल्यू. फ्रीक्वेंसी इज गिवन. अब हमें निकालना है मिड वैल्यू. And formula for mid value, it is given here as lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. Now it will be equal to 10 is lower limit, upper limit is 20 divided by 2, it will be equal to 30 divided by 2, it will be equal to 15. Similarly for this class interval, इसका जो मिड वैल्यू होगा वो होगा 20 plus 30 divided by 2, it will be equal to 50 divided by 2, it will be equal to 25. Now for this class interval, the lower limit is 30, इसका जो upper limit है वो है 40 divided by 2, it will be equal to 70 divided by 2, and mid value will be equal to 35. And the next column as per formula will be f multiplied by m, that is fm, value of frequency multiplied by value of mid value. The frequency is 2 and mid value is 15, it will be equal to 30. Frequency is 5, mid value is 25, it will be equal to 125. Frequency is 3 and mid value is 35, it will be equal to 105. And sigma fm, that is summation of f into mid value, it will be equal to sigma ff will be equal to the value of sigma fm, it is equal to 260, and sigma f, that is summation of frequency, it will be equal to 10. Now applying the formula that x bar equal to sigma fm divided by n, where n is equal to sigma f. X bar, that is arithmetic mean, it will be equal to sigma fm, it is equal to 260, and sigma f is 10. It will be equal to 260 divided by sigma f, it is equal to 10. That is n, which is sigma f, it is equal to 10. 260 divided by 10, it will be equal to 26. The variable is weight in kgs, therefore we will write 26 kgs. इस वैल्यू को हम इंटरप्रेट कर सकते हैं that average weight जो 10% का है वो है 26 kgs. Now remember this answer. Now we will apply indirect method using the same data. The result will be same 26 kgs. Now we will apply shortcut method to calculate arithmetic mean in case of continuous series. इसका जो फार्मूला है वो है x bar equal to a plus sigma f d divided by n, where n is again equal to sigma f, that is summation of frequency, where x bar, as you know, it is arithmetic mean, a is assumed mean, and this is sigma, that is summation or adding up of, f is frequency, d is deviations, deviated values, and d it is obtained with the help of formula x minus a, but in case of continuous series this x it will be mid value, therefore we have to write m minus a. As in case of discrete series we write x minus a, but in case of continuous series in place of x we have to take mid value. This is the formula for getting the value of d, and n, as you know, it is the number of observations which is equal to sigma f. Now having the same data that we have used in case of direct method, हम वही डेटा लेंगे जो हमने डायरेक्ट मेथड में लिया, वो था weight in kgs, और जो वैल्यूज थे वो थे, जो क्लास इंटरवल्स थे वो थे 10 to 20, 20 to 30 and 30 to 40, and number of persons, or we can say number of individuals, उनके जो वैल्यूज थे वो थे 2, 5 and 3. Its solution will be first column हम लेंगे values of variable. The variable is weight in kgs and it will be denoted by x, and the class intervals are, जो इसके class intervals है वो है 10 to 20, 20 to 30 and 30 to 40. And number of persons that is it is frequency denoted by f, उसको हम डिनोट करते हैं f से. अकॉर्डिंग टू फॉर्मूला हमें d वैल्यू निकालना है, जिसके लिए हमें ये फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करना है m माइनस a, दैट इज मिड वैल्यू माइनस एज्यूम्ड मीन. m is mid value. Mid value, जिसके लिए मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया फॉर्मूला लोअर लिमिट प्लस अपर लिमिट डिवाइड बाय 2. First we will write frequency 2, 5 and 3, and sigma f, it is equal to, that is summation of frequency, adding up of frequency, it is equal to 10, and mid value will be equal to 10 plus 20 divided by 2, it will be equal to 30 divided by 2, that will be equal to 15, it will be equal to 20 plus 30, 50 divided by 2, it will be equal to 25, 30 plus 40 equal to 70 divided by 2, it will be equal to 35. This is the mid value denoted by m. Now d will be equal to, that is deviation, m minus a. जैसे कि मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया in my previous lectures, जिसमें हमने सीखा arithmetic mean in case of individual series, arithmetic mean in case of discrete series, उसमें मैंने आपको बताया कि जो हम assumed mean वो हम कोई भी वैल्यू ले सकते हैं. In case of continuous series, among the mid values, और हम कोई भी वैल्यू ले सकते हैं outside these values. ये जरूरी नहीं है कि हम इन्हीं वैल्यू से मिड वैल्यू सिलेक्ट करेंगे, हम कोई और भी वैल्यू एज मिड वैल्यू ले सकते हैं. एज इन केस ऑफ डिस्क्रीट और इन केस ऑफ इंडिविजुअल सीरीज हम एक्स से मिड वैल्यू लेते थे या आउटसाइड एक्स वेरिएबल, लेकिन यहाँ पे यह होता है हमें मिड वैल्यू से चूज करना या आउटसाइड these mid values on our own convenience. That is, we will take assumed mean from this mid values. Suppose it is equal to 15. That is assumed mean a, and I will write here where a is equal to 15, and it will be equal to m minus a, that is 15 minus 15, it will be equal to 0, 25, that is mid value, m minus a is 15, it will be equal to 10, 35 minus assumed mean, that is 15, it will be equal to 20. Now, as per formula, we have to construct one more column of the table, that is FD, frequency multiplied by deviation. It will be equal to 2 into 0, it will be equal to 0. 5 into 10, it will be equal to 50. 3 into 20, it will be equal to 60. And sigma FD, that is summation of these values, adding up of these values, it will be equal to 110. Now using these values in the formula, we will obtain arithmetic mean. We will calculate arithmetic mean in case of continuous series using shortcut method. We are learning shortcut method. The formula for shortcut method is that x bar is equal to assumed mean plus sigma fd divided by n, where n is equal to summation of frequencies. I will write here this is equal to n for your clear understanding, so that you may not get confused. That we have written here as n and here as sigma f, it means one and the same thing. x bar it will be equal to, इसका जो फॉर्मूला वो ये है assumed mean plus sigma fd divided by n or I will also write it as x bar equal to a plus sigma fd divided by sigma f. In place of n, I can also write sigma f, and it will be equal to n is equal to sigma f, and it will be equal to assumed mean, that is 15 plus sigma f d is equal to 110, sigma f that is equal to 10, and it will be equal to x bar, that is arithmetic mean, it will be equal to 15 plus 110 divided by 10, it will be equal to 11, and this will be equal to 26, that is weight in kgs. Therefore I will write it as 26 kgs. इसका मतलब यह है कि जो एवरेज वेट है 10 पर्सन्स का वो है 26 kgs on an average. This is how we calculate arithmetic mean in case of continuous series, or we can say frequency distribution, using direct method as well as shortcut method. I hope you have got it, and you can do any example on this topic by taking different variables, such as in place of weight you will take income of persons, or age of persons in years, or wage rate of workers, etc. And you will take different values and different frequencies, then you will calculate arithmetic mean in this series. And you can also do, I hope you will also do practice by taking, in place of 15 you will take 35 as arithmetic mean, or some other value such as 10 as arithmetic mean, and you will find that the result will be same. Thanks.